Stash Invest Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Stash Invest is a robo-advisor designed for beginner investors looking for an easy, hands-off way to start building wealth. It offers automated investing, fractional shares, and a mix of ETFs and individual stocks to help users create diversified portfolios with as little as $5. Unlike traditional robo-advisors, Stash gives more control over investments, allowing users to pick their own stocks while still benefiting from automated portfolio management. It's built for those who want a simplified investing experience without the complexity of traditional brokerage platforms. Key features. Stash provides pre-built portfolios based on risk tolerance and investment goals, making it ideal for beginners who want guidance without fully giving up control. The Auto Stash feature enables recurring investments, encouraging consistent contributions over time. Additionally, Stash includes a checking account with a stock-back card, which rewards users with fractional shares of stocks instead of cashback. It also offers retirement accounts, IRAs, and custodial accounts for kids, expanding its use beyond just personal investing. Who should use it? Stash is best for beginner investors who need guidance but still want some say in their investments. It's great for those who prefer a mobile-first experience with an easy-to-use interface. However, experienced investors may find Stash too limited, as it lacks advanced research tools, real-time trading, or tax loss harvesting, which other robo-advisors offer. Pricing and downsides. Stash operates on a subscription model, with plans starting at $3 a month for basic investing and $9 a month for premium features like retirement accounts. This fee can be costly for small investors since it doesn't scale based on portfolio size like percentage-based robo-advisors. Another downside is that Stash doesn't offer true robo-advising in the sense of fully automated investing with rebalancing and tax optimization. It's more of a hybrid platform combining self-directed investing with automation tools. Final verdict. If you're a beginner looking for a user-friendly way to start investing with small amounts, Stash is a solid choice. The ability to buy fractional shares and automate contributions makes it appealing for long-term growth. However, if you want a fully automated robo-advisor with low fees and advanced features, platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront might be better options. Stash is great for learning and building investing habits, but the monthly fee structure and limited automation make it less appealing for serious long-term investors.